Today we're going to be applying SpecShield WB. SpecShield WB is a siloxane-silane blend. It's a penetrating sealer that's designed to react with the concrete and create water repellency to keep stains and de-icing salts from damaging the concrete surface. We thoroughly power washed this driveway to remove all contaminants and dirt. The other thing we wanted to verify is, as a penetrating sealer, that the concrete is not coated with another type of sealer. And you can see here, simple water test shows that water readily penetrates, which means this surface is ready for SpecShield WB.